Riba nyanam, riba nyanam. Onye nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Onye nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Oh, riba nyanam, riba nyanam. Ebi nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Ebi nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Oh, riba nyanam, riba nyanam. Onye nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Onye nwere ihe karịrị Biafra ribe nyanam. Boy, you, boy, I like something one time. Do you believe? Oh yeah. What? I like something. Do you believe? Oh yeah. Remember when they feel say I play that time. I'm not going to Biafra nothing. Look, I got get before. She get. I'm going to go in a crumb now. My own house is Biafra. I got to call her by my side. Just to be my side, say if you go on something to me. Okay, what? How shall I go? Oh, Biafra nothing. I got what does there now? Nah, I got no see what you can. I got now Biafra because the first now for long. Today now, boy. How shall I do? And the Biafra nothing, no, whether you believe it or not. I swear.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 16th of October 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. Biafrans, one of the top commander of the Biafran Liberation Army, aka I Pencil, is celebrating his birthday. Guys, in Umuaka, these are the ones that are controlling the district of Umuaka. Guys, if you look at this one very well, you will find out that the Biafra Liberation Army is not scared of anybody. They took to the streets, celebrating their birthday, celebrating the boss' birthday as they are releasing these granates in the air. No be small thing, guys. When you look closely very well to these guys, you will agree with me that they know they shake you. Indeed, men they grand, and that require to John, that also Pataniro. Now, what I want to when I celebrate one had a birthday. Let's celebrate here in a very big way. Guys, these are the Biafran Liberation Armies in Umuaka. They grand, men they grand, nothing sub at all. I can tell you, nothing sub. While we are waiting for 20th of October for the main or mega protest of the release of Mazen Nandekalo, although today is in the court, the Nigerian Medical Association denied Mazen Nandekalo a good report. They reported that Mazen Nandekalo is not having any serious case that will warrant him to go for any medical checkup outside that DSS own. That's exactly what they did today in court, although the judge gave Mazen Nandekalo 3 days for a defense. But let's keep fingers crossed and see what will happen. But all we know is that 20th of October, which is coming Monday, there's going to be a serious and a massive protest for the release of Mazen Nandekalo in Abuja. So wherever you are, if you are interested, kindly go there, but be civilized. Don't cause any trouble. Don't try to do any gragra. You know what I'm saying? Just peaceful protest. That's just what it is. Peaceful protest. So Biafrans, you can see the Biafran Liberation Army guys enjoying themselves, having a very free day of their own. Guys, men day indeed.
One kangunu the reality from my reasoning, from my own personal reasoning. If all ani Igbo amanju na toyi. If all ani Igbo, ana Biafra na amanju na toyi. Yes. If all this kidnapping aneme, all this gogu eloni na aneme, o manju na toyi na Igbo. If ngena happen man Umuaka na ndo otu ye, onwere ka oju na toyi. You the reason why. The reason why that na guna omoge ma the reason why. Yes, do you know what the reason why? The only reason they'll get you a Jonathan Way, the only reason is to release Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, let everybody come out to protest for it. The only reason to calm Igbo down is to release Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, after all, you want to Nandi those men now commit evil. Onwere Igbo those men na arụ. Ọkwa Nnamdi Kanu bụ ihe debere fakafa protect ani Igbo. Na-enye fanni mgbe ọ nọ. Since Nnamdi Kanu pụrụ enye nugo fanni, onwenugo 10 kobo gị isend elufa. Jụọ onwe gị onwere ọrụ oyibo those guys na-arụ. Ka isi wee chọ ka kafa si na-eri nni ego granite fa eje na-arụkwa ọrụ. Jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ. Yes. It's better ọ ka mma ka ikwuo ya ka ọ dị legit. Jụọ onwe gị ajụjụ. Gụnwa bụ ihe na-apụta na comment section ya na comment yari na ndị a na fada arụzụ ọrụ na fada emezi nke a. 10 kobo gị isend golu fa ka fa were rie nni. Gwazie m ka kidnapping na ama nsị dị. Gwazie m ka izu ori na ama nsị dị. Even those men Nnamdi Kanu lapụrụ all these men. Betrayed all of them. Understand? Ego onegi ka isend golu fa fa ji ri nni. Gwa m ka kidnapping na ama nsị dị. The only person ga stop nwunye ga anatakwa back bịa nyebe fa nni is Nnamdi Kanu or Simon Ekpan. Imagine mgbe Simon Ekpan kwunyitebekwe nyebekwe those guys nni chọkwa ka o keep over in order. Ekonai bụ oburu Simon Ekpan. Onye bịakwara bịa provide for them. Abịa burie. Since e buorie, how many of those people buorie nyeru those guys nni? Gwa m ka kidnapping na ama nsị dị. The reality ka m gwara gị. The reality ka m gwara gị. From my own mental thinking. The feel me? Ọ ka mma ka i burie n'uche. Because ọmandịnata mma is better. Ndị niile ọ na-eme affect n'ogbe fa apụta protest for Nnamdi Kanu release. Yes. So that man be ga stop onwe. And Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'obodo a mụ na gị na mbụ nọ n'ime. So as long as nọ n'obodo a mụ na gị na mbụ nọ n'ime and obodo a bịa na suffer about those guys. Obodo a na suffer. Nah man, cannot be too much. The only person game those guys get to calm down is Nigeria to release Nnamdi Kanu. Ndini no men affect na their community. Let them all of them come out and protest to release Nnamdi Kanu. Period. Bye bye.
France, you can see that Showore is doing everything possible to make sure that this protest holds. Even though that there are so many threats, there are so many people or will I see sectors that are fighting against the protests, but Showore is not like backing out. He did mean for this protest. He did very mean that this protest must surely go on.
One done, they don't fly one, go London now. Every day, everybody. Not to say people not be sick, but some sickness different from sickness. Some sickness now, wait till you take your hand, carry, now bring the sickness. Some sickness now to chop too much. Some sickness come from drinking too much alcohol, like the one in Abuja. We go mention my name the other day, we never recover. Some sickness then comes from stealing other people's lands. Some sickness comes from demolishing people's shop where they take chop. You can never be well if you do evil against your fellow human beings for so long as they are doing it. You don't need to go to church to know that. You don't need to go to mosque to know that. That one is the principle of natural justice. Natural law. So we are here to invite you on Monday. And the question I've been asking, this is our 8th market. Yesterday. I have been asking everybody that we met that are you saying there are no up 1 million people? More than that. More than that. Are you saying there are no up to 1 million people in this Abuja that can step out for a just cause? More than that. And if we are 1 million, you know all the security agencies in Nigeria that are not up to 1 million. Yes. The Nigerian police is 350,000. That is the number that they are paying salary. The real ones waiting their life now around 210,000. But you know, say police to get the highest number of ghost workers for this country. The Nigerian army is about 150,000. DSS is 10,000. Nigerian Navy is 15,000. If you add MC Oluomo and all their people, maybe it's 500,000. We are 1 million. If 1 million people they go, nobody can wait. And that is why I came here to address you today. It has nothing to do with tribe. Yes. It has nothing to do with ethnicity. It has nothing to do with religion. I have said it and I will keep saying it. The only religion that I know is justice. The only ethnicity I belong to is the ethnicity of justice. The only thing that I tell people sometimes, where I don't know why there's something in my body will make me to say silent. I be Igbo person because anytime I hear Ogene music, I lose my mind. Yes. So, but on a serious note, please let's meet on Monday and march on Asari. We are converging at 7 a.m. in the morning.
Unity Fountain.
Unity Fountain. But if they play any game there, we'll go pass through another place. So be prepared for that day. Carry water. Carry some granite put for pockets. Carry your friend with you. If you no get friends, carry your enemy. Drag them, say for the first time, let's go and do justice. Bring everybody with you and let's make this happen. It's going to be a peaceful protest. Demonstration. And we have informed them that it's going to be peaceful. And we have heard that they are planning counter protest as well. But I tell you, it's psychological engineering. Because if the real people are moving, all those ones, all the Oyezuzus, we won't do that. This when they say, now them go even come join us. And that day, now them go come sweep the floor after we finish in Matan. But the most important thing is that we are bringing Nnamdi Kanu home on Monday. But one last thing I want to say is that they can make it happen before Monday. So that this weekend we could just do party. That's it. But if they don't, if common sense no day, by Monday, we will reset them for them on the streets of Abuja. And if you have anybody who is coming, because a lot of people want to come, please give them accommodation. Support them with food. Be careful for people who say they want to come, they make you send money. But there are some of them who are on Twitter. You want to go to Abuja for send me money. Don't send money to anybody, except if they're your family member. But be kind to anybody that you can. Please let this message spread. You know what I was saying, that there's natural justice. You know what happened when we came here? Do you remember? The heavens opened and they wet the floor. That is the reign of freedom. Have a nice day.
This market, all the markets in Abuja should be shut down. We are fighting for justice. Person when they fight for Nana Obama plus me outside, my mama na Igbo, make una come out, make una come out, come talk. Make una come out, now they go tire. Make una don't fear. Make una come out. Yes, na me. Make una come out, come support us. This is justice for Nigeria. Both Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, we are in it together. Because tomorrow the people do that. Make una come out. We are fighting for all of us. You cannot release somebody who committed a crime and then hold somebody that did not commit. You give presidential pardon.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu. No market Commando.
Yes. There's a way.
There's a way. I've talked to them there. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Hope it's not far.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. I never see you market. Nnamdi Kanu now. Don't land illegally. Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 If you don't reach that, you are well okay. If you don't reach that, you probably are going to panel. I think we are going to cross our panel. At all. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Did you skip back there?
Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
I didn't have the number.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 Let's go, Marwan. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
I should call the driver.
I didn't have this number.
I should call him.
Ijere and the Keshi TV, they are live and direct in Abuja doing their own protests that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should not be released, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be sentenced, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu do this, that in Imo, in Osu, in Owerri, in Ihiala, and so many places. They are calling on the government of Nigeria not to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Guys, you can see, well, just like we said, let's keep fingers crossed and see what will happen on that 20th. But we pray that 20th, let there not be any bloodshed or more. Doga peacefully, and let government listen and release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because we believe that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop a lot of things in Biafra land. There are a lot of Ojolo that is going on in Biafra land. It's only the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to stop that one. Oh, I'm telling you.
If I come to Abuja to end my life, I'm waiting. Something must kill a man. Before I come out for this thing, I don't decide, say, whatever it happens, I need justice for my brothers. They eat the meat of my brothers. It's funny, right? 3 of my brothers, they cut and they use and cook soup. Oh. I get the video. They slaughter the one I showed you people yesterday. If you are in my shoe, what will you do? What are you going to do? So I'm demanding for justice. I'm demanding for justice. I need justice. Justice. I need justice. Just take a look. Take a look. That's my brother over there. Let me zoom it. I can't go more further because of that's my brother. His manhood was cut off and they buried him alive. All these things now waiting at the cry for. Look at this small girl. Look at this small girl here. That is also my sister. Look at the way they cut his face, her faces. Just look at the way they cut. Then look at this one. Look at how they machete my brother. And they want me to keep quiet. Omo, no be small thing now. This is a priest. Now priest who they kill be this one. No? This na priest. His wife just died last week. So now his children are orphans. All in the name of Biafra agitation. Now we are saying what is good for Simon Ekpa is equally good for Nnamdi Kanu. Are we asking too much? Now justice we need. This is Ahmed Gulag. You know about. Then this is the military person, husband and wife, that was killed by Gentle. Gentle cut off her private parts and sold it. This is it. Then this is Dr. Shike. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So all we are saying is justice. All we are asking for is justice, justice, justice. That is what brought me to Abuja. I don't have any business with anybody. I want justice for my brothers. Help me to share this life.
I want just for us to arrange ourselves.
I want justice for my brothers and sisters. Above 6,000 was killed in Osun. Not to talk of Igbo at large. We want justice. Live in Abuja. We want justice. We want justice. I want justice.
Justice.
I want justice. Igebu munnem simebe na akwa. Dibiulo enapi omu ya berisie ye were anu ya. Iri anu ya. Were anu ya see of pepe gini see of egusi. You don't want them call to say what the mind post all the video. When you were posting the video, can you share it? Can you share it when you were posting the video? Can you share when you were posting the video? So that can for be about one. This is all I have to show you for now.
Yes, my people, we are live at the National Assembly. Bro. We are live at the National Assembly to demand justice for the victims of Nnamdi Kanu's terrorist activities. As you can see, this is the National Assembly. We are here live. We are here live, fully ready to commence. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Cash, you know live. They're live now. This is Cash.
in flesh and blood. Yeah, my people, we are about to begin. We are about to begin. So, guys, see you soon. Spread the message. We are not afraid of any bastard. We are going to show them. Thank you, guys.
Us here is pleading with Ugo 247 to stop attacking Ngozi Arobeze, because Ugo 247 was once a panel member of Ngozi Arobeze. Both of them built that United States of Biafra, but I don't know what came across both of them. They now quarreled and departed from each other, and since Ugo 247 departed from that USB, he started attacking Ngozi Arobeze. But here in this video, Stephen Cross is pleading with him to stop attacking Ngozi Arobeze, but rather he should bring on the good blueprint of something that is going to benefit Biafrans, and not just attacking Ngozi Arobeze like that. Just listen to him and hear what he said concerning the issue between Ugo 247 and Ngozi Arobeze.
You see, all this your nonsense that you have been doing for 5 years, we have allowed you to follow the due process of law by doing the right thing. You said you are not going to do the right thing. We left you. Okay, try him. You finished trying him and he won you. You refuse to release him. The world is watching, and why we are making all this video is for the world to hear our voice. So that when we will start, nobody will come and talk anything about arrest. That is why we are going to the right offices, submitting documents to wherever is meant to be submitted, gathering more evidences against the Nigerian state, this terrorist Nigerian government. Again, I've been hearing a lot of things flying on social media, and I want to say it the way Simon Ekpa Njoku said it. Simon Ekpa Njoku said, I am not going to fight the way Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is fighting. I am not Ojukwu, so I'm not going to fight the way Ojukwu is fighting. I am not Uwazurike, neither will I fight like Uwazurike. I am going to fight like me, Simon Ekpa. So for those people who are saying Dr. Ngozi Arobeze is not using the template of Mazi Simon Ekpa, I want to ask you, please, my brother, have you ever seen any government on this planet Earth that changes from one government to another, that carries on in the same pattern of the first government that the country voted out? That is total failure of the new government that steps in. They can easily be removed if they are not doing the bid of the citizens. So we are not like Nigeria. We understand what we are doing. Dr. Ngozi Arobeze is not going to fight like these people. She's not going to fight like Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Simon Ekpa, our former hero, Odumegwu Ojukwu, Mazi Uwazurike. She's not going to fight like them. She's a different human being. She's not cloned to act like them. Despite that, the template of what Simon Ekpa put down is what she's using. But she's not going to completely do exactly like them. So I want to ask you that have a template. What template do you have? Bring it to us so that we will know that, yes, this is Simon Ekpa Njoku's template. It is very bad you condemn the government that you have fought for a very long time. It is very, very bad. If this company that I'm working with, I decided to leave the company, I resigned by myself, based on the things that I've seen that is not right, and I come out on social media and start attacking this company that fed me for so long, paid my bills for so long, then that means I'm evil. And that company can sue me to court for defamation. And that is the simple truth. Now, you people kept on talking about Dr. Ngozi Arobeze, Dr. Ngozi Arobeze. Yes, Dr. Ngozi Arobeze might have her own flaws. She's not a robot. She's a human. But has she disappointed Biafra at this moment? The answer is no. Why are you people talking about Dr. Ngozi Arobeze? If you want to fight somebody that has been fighting for us, that went to, what is it called, Finland, to redeclare my nation. If you want to fight that person, fight her with fact and figures and show us the way so that we can follow you. You can't be the pastor who will tell me my problem, tell me the sicknesses I'm going through, but you don't have a solution to it. Now, my brother, I'm talking to you, Ugo 247. Let me mention your name. You are going too far. Leave us to continue to fool ourselves. You are going too far. I thought when you resigned, you would have kept quiet. I thought when you resigned, you would have gone inside and respected yourself. All these things, buhaha, you are doing on social media, you don't need it. You are just disgracing yourself the more, reducing your worth the more. It would have been very honorable for you to resign and then take a long walk and leave Dr. Ngozi Orabweze alone. Let us continue to follow her. We are not stupid in the head. It is when we see the mistakes that she's doing and we call on her, don't follow this route. She continues to follow that route. Dr. Ngozi Orabweze, this thing that you're doing is not right. She continues to do it. Then we know that what you people saw and left, we have started seeing it. And we will be the one to come and tell the public. You can't deceive somebody like me, Rose. You can't discourage somebody like me, Rose. It's not possible. Why are you doing all this? Telling her that she's a club woman. Why, in God's name, are you doing this? Before you married your wife, do you know the life she has lived? And let me even tell you, let me tell us the story. I got my first connection, very big connection, in Kulos Club. Kulos, everybody knows Kulos, is in Lekki, is on the road of going to Lekki, is in VI, where you are going to Lekki toll gate. That's where Kulos is. Immediately after Zenith Bank, you see it. The very first day I wanted to do my interview, Madam Evelyn Okere, that's her son name. I just called the full name that's called me to come in there the very first time I went there. I called the lady because they gave me a number to call. I called her. So she said I should come to Olakunle Bakari at the time. So, and I should come into Globe Motors. Globe Motors is at I think Idowu Taylor, somewhere in Idowu Taylor, where you have Fortune Bank at the time. And then, so she wasn't around. So I waited and waited and waited. She said, that I had I'm having a meeting somewhere that I don't know if you can wait. So I told her I'll wait, because at the time, the person that connected me to this woman, very high profile woman at the time in Nigeria, was very high as well. So I waited and waited, she didn't come. So once I called her around 5, she said, my brother, I just left to Ikeja. I don't know when I'm going to be coming back because of the traffic and all of that. Can we meet on Saturday? Because that was on Friday. Can we meet on Saturday? I said, no problem, I will come, because I was the one looking for the job. Now, at that day, I was even angry because I'm going to be driving. I'm going to be driving on traffic. You know, if she has told me on time, I would have gone against traffic. So I went home. The next day, I called her around 10 o'clock. She said, okay, she's going to give me the location where she is. So to cut the long story short, she gave me a location where she was. So I called her. Should I start coming? She said, no, that she's going to call me. She's going to call me. She's going to call me. Oh, she didn't call me again. I called her around 4. She said she's going to call me. I should not worry. So around 7:30, she said, okay, she will be in Kulos Club, and I should come there. I said, where is Kulos? So I started asking my friends. I said, where is Kulos? I don't know the club, because then I know they go club now. I know they go club. What's it concern me with club? You know? So one of my friends followed me. We went to Kulos that night. When I got to Kulos, so because we were on the island, I called her. She said, okay, that I should come in. This was not happening around 10 o'clock. I came in. So that day she was with A.B. Idahosa, the daughter of Bishop Kuka Idahosa. She was with a lot of people. She was with a lot of, this Chubo Kadigu's daughter. Her name is Ameliana. She's very pretty, very fair. So that was the day I saw them. So on that day, I was trying to get a job in what is it called now? Econet Wireless. So I went in there. So I saw a lot of them. They were sitting in VVIP. Lord, there's VIP, there's VVIP. So they were sitting up in VVIP lodge. So when I got there, we discussed with the music playing. That place was secluded. There's the way they did the place. So when there was talk, so she said, okay, then I can start on Monday, that I'll be working directly with her and all whatnot. So I said, no problem. So when she finished talking with me and told me, I told her who sent me, and she said, no, the guy even called her and all of that. So she said, I can start on Monday. So because I came with my friend, so my friend called other of our friends that we they like you, me, Rose, they somewhere they do meeting with some people upstairs. So those my friends said we should wait for them there, that they are coming. So this thing was not happening around 11:45. So those guys came in, we started buying drinks and all whatnot. So later we left. We went to Farm City at Lekki Phase 1. We went to Farm City. So when we went to Farm City at Lekki Phase 1, the place was, there was no vibes there because of the kind of people we were seeing there. We said, let's first return back to, what is it called now, where we left. Because I don't want to do much there because of the people that was there, that I did interview with there. So we went back to Kulos. When we got to Kulos, they told us that somebody has closed the fridge, that the person paid for everybody. You know, and those guys, you know, those my friends, they get money. So those, you know, people, young guys, we get money. Maybe say they don't know what they take money. So they got angry. Then it was what they were saying was NSC. NSC was the most expensive drink there. So the guys they were very angry because, you know, we wanted to show off too. So we're now asking who closed the fridge. He said this Femi $10 family, I don't want to mention. So when they said it, my guy provoked, said, well, how much will be in Papa self? You know, the way so we're making noise. That is when we saw Shinopela, the owner of that. So now Shinopela was now coming to talk to us in that clique. Shinopela was now saying, but what you saw walking and go and drink, go and take whatever you want. I said, no, we'll have our own money. We'll be the, you know, my guys were making noise. Me, I just sit down because waiting, I don't get money to spend for that place. If I make noise finish, anything we wanna bring, I follow una, no wala. So when we're making the noise, so the Shinopela come to say, the person will pay for everybody in the up. Now VVIP and bouncers no go allow una go there, go see the person. So we're gonna leave these guys, make they enjoy, make everybody enjoy, and a club will come. That same day, that is the day I saw the former governor of Ekiti State, Ayo Fayose, and what is his name? This former governor of Lagos State that did one time, Ambode. I saw them together. They were there drinking in the night. So when we went to upstairs, we got angry. We gave my guys gave them the bouncer there, I think about 5K. Then when money get value for Niger, went there, we're shouting, we're making noise. So that the guy that paid was sitting there, was just watching us. Very now young boy like us who get money. We don't even know say my papa gets sorry, I just said what I didn't want to say. We didn't know that he's this thing to Fort Oil. He can't tell us, say, Baba, all this noise they cause nuisance everywhere. It's for what? Said I me pay for fridge, when I go take away. I say, well, can't they make noise? Like the guys they make noise, say they get the money, why you so as we make money, after they make noise, now police can come up. Say, I know all those police really outside. You know, the police that were outside, they came upstairs and they were not telling us why we shouting. To cut the long story short, that was the guy now called and said, look, we are the most quiet among all of them. But they don't know say na me Chris Paso. But that day, because I just got a job that day, I just did look them. So the guy now say, Baba, have fun now. Google my papa name. Therefore, just you Google and make you see. So I can't tell her, say, you self Google my papa. If you know who my papa be, Google me self, you go see me for internet. So we just talk the thing. I didn't know anything about him. And I said that. So now I tell the luck on because everybody was tense that day. That same day why they tell you, Hush Puppy can't come in. That was the day I know say, hey, this life they too. Watch Poppy came in. Watch Poppy walk past us. I don't even know who he is. I don't even look in Papa face. He never get money like I seen get money that time. Go sit down for back. Come they tell $10. If you are boys here, like you man, won't cost nuisance in me by. Leave us, let us go. The guy say, okay, Bobo, just take my card. Anytime you need me, call me. We'll go relate well. Yeah. So we left. Do you know that that card that guy gave me changed my life for good? That I worked in an oil company was the connection of that $10 family member. That I bought products cheaper at Ijora because he was heading Ijora 7-Up Fort Oil depot. At that time was because of the connection I made in that club. So I see no reason why you, Ugo 247, will be saying something that is not factual. You don't say things like that. You don't say things like that. Give us facts and figure why we should not follow Dr. Ngozi Arabweze, why we should not respect her, and we would bow to you. But you coming to say things that doesn't add up. My brother, it don't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. Please, let us try to build our nation. If she's not doing it, give her ideas. You can even resign and start giving ideas. So that when it happens, you say, but Ngozi, I called you and I told you this is how you go about this. You understand? Not to damage what you have built. Not to damage what you have built. Please, I want you to desist from attacking Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. Give us facts and figure and we follow you. Again, this is not a way to plead. I'm just telling you as a concerned United citizen of Biafra. I watched that your video and it wasn't sitting well with me. Ugo, you are too big. You are bigger than what you are doing. You are smarter than what you are doing. Please don't take us back. I've met with a lot of people on this planet Earth, which you cannot even believe. But I really don't like to talk about them except in an event like this. Please. The Yorubas cannot talk about Tinubu today because he's their president. Why are we talking about Dr. Ngozi Arabweze today? No government in this world can act like the way Nigerian government is acting. Because they always follow the same pattern. And that same pattern is what has led them to where they are today. Dr. Ngozi Arabweze saw the mistakes that Simon did, Nnamdi Kanu, our leader, did, and she decided, let me do it in my own way. Why are you condemning her? Do you see Nigeria moving forward? When Tinubu came into power, that drug lord, he told you that he's going to continue where Buhari stopped. Did he not start? Did he not continue detaining Nnamdi Kanu? Did he not continue to do the evil that Buhari did when he left? Has that moved the nation forward? No, it has not. So please, please, Ugo 247. This is not a spoiler alert for you, but it's going to spoil things if you continue this way. Please, subpedal and just go in if you are tired. That's what you promised us. That's what you told us. And we want you to go in. Thank you so much for that. I know you are going to listen to me. So, again, Biafrans, I saw most of you writing rubbish on my comment section. There's one guy called Ekan Victor or something, I can't pronounce, if I didn't pronounce that, saying the way you are going is out of line. My brother, you don't know nothing about freedom. I keep saying it that I don't want to talk until, in fact, I never wanted to say anything until after second. A Yoruba man. Where are those people who were calling Simon, that Simon is a terrorist, that is Simon that is causing the insecurity in the southeast, that if Simon is removed, that the president, this drug lord of Nigeria will release Nnamdi Kanu? Where are they? Where did they go? Now, Showore said, oh, you are coming to fight me, that is your brother. There is no sense in what you people are doing. Do I want Nnamdi Kanu to be released? I want him to be released today. Showore, I will not say anything until that second. I want to see Nnamdi Kanu walk out freely. Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime in Nigeria. He has not committed any crime known to the four walls of the law of any European law, not to talk of African law. Taking our time to understudy this, keeping Nnamdi Kanu. If Nnamdi Kanu buys in your custody, you will know how wicked the Igbos can be. And we are telling you, our brothers, the revolution that Showore wanted to do in 2021, that he was arrested and kept for how many months, is trying to use your brother, our brother, to do it, to climb. And you people cannot see that red flag. I don't know when you people are going to reason, but on the second, if Nigerian government is ready to release Nnamdi Kanu, they must release him today. Today, that is on the 16th of October 2024. They shouldn't wait till Monday. Again, all of you that are cursing me, are insulting me, I don't know what I'm saying. We are not against what Showore is doing. But where are those Igbo people who were shouting, Simon, Simon, Simon? Can you see what Nnamdi Kanu is going through because Simon has been removed? All of you don't have sense. I just watch you. The write-up of that Victor is over 12 likes and 12 thumbs up. You don't know what freedom is all about. If you know, you will understand that there's a twist coming. But you see, you, Soludo, will teach you. You will be the last governor of Anambra.
Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Biafrans. Share this video, and let us interact in our comment section because we all love you. Bye.